video, I'm going to show you step by step how to connect your Twilio once you have a Twilio account and connect it to high level. If you do not have a Twilio account, you need to have a Twilio account. Go to Twilio.com and follow the prompts step by step on how to get a Twilio account set up. Once you have that, they're going to give you 2 authentication tokens. Once you have those, you can do this process, okay? So once you have those authentication tokens, you're going to come back to high level, and I'm going to click these 2 blue arrows that say switch to agency view. It's going to show you this view. I'm going to hit settings. And then I'm going to come over here to Twilio. Now, I'm not going to click on it because it's going to show you my tokens. So I have it open here in this tab. And what it's going to do is it's going to take you to this section here. And it's going to tell you to enter in those tokens. You're going to put in the account SID and the authentication token. And then you are going to click the button there that says submit. And if everything is good, you are all set up. You are completely set up. Okay. And then once you do that, then once your authentication token is in there, you're going to go back to your actual account. Blah, blah, blah. And you're going to come down to settings. And I'm going to come over here to phone numbers. And this is now where you are actually going to pick a phone number. You hit add number. You can pick an area code. Used to be from the 951 search. And it'll show me a list of 951 numbers I can pick from that I want my messages coming from. I just select one. I hit save. Listen, they do charge you, I think, like $1 per number that you have saved in here. So pay attention to that. Don't just rack up a whole bunch of phone numbers in here. Twilio does charge you for that. And that is basically how that's set up. You can also set up number pools in here where you can have multiple numbers that come through to the same one and track that for different campaigns. Please let me know if you have any questions. If you have any questions, post in the Facebook group. Otherwise, thanks again for watching.